I figured out how to study faster, and it almost feels like illegal. You know that frustrating feeling when you study for days, but your friend who studied the night before still gets the same
You
grade?
won!
It's exhausting, discouraging, and honestly unfair. You sacrifice your free time, skip the things you enjoy, and still end up with average results. Meanwhile, others seem to do half the work and still succeed. The truth? The problem isn't you. It's the outdated, inefficient way you've been studying. In this video, I'll show you how to use just 20% of your time to get top grades, using simple, proven techniques that almost anyone can follow. Even better, you won't have to give up your weekends to do it. Cut the sugar. Do you load up on sweets when you're
No, no.
stressed before exams? Bad idea. Research shows too much sugar slows your brain and makes it harder to focus. Instead, try foods like nuts, berries, or fish. They boost memory and help you stay sharp without the crash. Shift your mindset. If you start studying already thinking it'll be boring and endless, it will be. But if you tell yourself it'll be quick and doable, your brain actually performs better. A Harvard study even found that positive beliefs improved people's health. The same applies to studying, so try saying, "This is easy. I'll finish in 30 minutes," and see the difference. Use a timer. Ever notice how a task expands when you think you have all day? That's Parkinson's law. Instead, set a 30-minute timer. You'll focus better and get more done. The goal is to set a time that challenges you but doesn't stress you out. Start small. I'll cover this topic in 1 hour, and watch how fast you move. Prioritize what matters. When time is tight, focus on the topics that count. Don't waste time reviewing what you already know. Use the 80-20 rule. 20% of the material gives you 80% of your exam answers. Go straight to summaries, highlighted areas, past papers, and the points your teacher repeats. Start with the answers. Instead of reading everything, begin with the questions and answers at the end of each chapter. This shows you what's important and helps you learn faster. Exams often follow patterns, so practicing the right questions is a smarter move than reading every detail. Target your weak spots. Stop reviewing the easy stuff just to feel productive. Focus on what you struggle with.
Help!
That's where real improvement happens. Also, try horizontal learning, connect related topics to understand the bigger picture. This deepens your understanding and makes your study more complete. Use AI tools. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you summarize, quiz yourself, make study plans, and clarify confusing topics in seconds. With the right prompts, you can study smarter, not longer. Review your mistakes. Keep a log of your past mistakes either in a notebook or on Notion. Go over them before the test. Fixing what you got wrong before is the fastest way to lock in knowledge and stop repeating errors. If you found this useful, share it with someone who needs better study strategies. And if you've got a secret technique that works for you, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear it.